If you can divide the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number, you can reduce the fraction to lowest terms. Most teachers want fractions in lowest terms completely reduced, and in fact, in some cases, they'll mark off if you don't reduce a fraction to lowest terms. Let me give you some examples of what this looks like. So let's say we have 2 over 4. That's not reduced because you can divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. And then that would then become, 1 over 2. So since 1 and 2 can't be divided further by the same integer into lower terms, this is lowest terms, 1/2. Let's do another example. Let's have, say, 6 over 9. Both the numerator and denominator in this case are divisible by 3. And then if you do that, then you have 2 over 3 as your answer in lowest terms. That's a fraction in lowest terms. We'll do one last example here. Let's say we have 12 over 48. And I'm going to keep doing this again and again because typically we're going by small prime numbers, typically 2, 3, and 5. So if I divide the numerator and denominator of 12 over 48 by 2 over 2, then I'm left with 6 over 24. Yet this can be further reduced by dividing numerator and denominator by 3 over 3. That then becomes 2 over 8. And then you're like, hey, man, that can still be divided by 2 over 2. And if I do that, then I have 1 over 4. So that's the fraction 12 over 48 in lowest terms is 1 over 4, or 1/4.